Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video once again. So today I will be talking about use of within, without and well. So most of the people are not clear about it, so now I'm here to help you. So let's get started. So number one is within. Within means মধ্যে. For example, completed this work within 2 days. It means কাজটি 2 দিনের মধ্যে করা হয়েছিল. Okay. Number two is without. Without means ছাড়া. For example, I will not go there without my friend. It means আমি ওখানে যাব না আমার বন্ধুকে ছাড়া. Okay? Number three is well. Well means কোনো কিছু করতে করতে. For example, you should think while going there. It means তোমার ভাবা উচিত ওখানে যেতে যেতে. So I hope you're clear about it and share it on your Facebook so that most of the people can be benefited anyway. So have a great day, see you some other time. Bye.